How's it going today, guys? Trucks and Water here, and right now I'm on my way to do another truck review. We've got 2 truck reviews this weekend, and one's a 6.0 again. A little bit different setup than the other 6.0s I've done, but the other one I'm gonna let you find out because it's the first one on the channel and it's gonna be freaking awesome. Anyways, we got Cars and Coffee this weekend. It's gonna be an awesome freaking weekend. I cannot wait to bring you all the content. Thank you all so much for tuning into the channel every week and watching me, taking time out of your day. I very much appreciate it. So let's get this started. I don't think I even have to say anything anymore. Cheers, guys. Cheers to the boys. Yeah, it's good. It's good stuff. All right, guys. He is right behind me. I don't know if you can see it in that mirror, but he's right behind me. And let's just say this would be the tallest truck I've ever reviewed to date so far. It makes my truck look puny. Not saying my truck's big at all because it's only on a leveling kit and 305s, but at the same time, it makes my truck look a little puny. But right now, we're gonna head to the review spot, and then, of course, Ty will be popping up very soon of the video, so y'all can go watch it. And yeah, guys, I just got done with that truck right there review. Ty will be popping up, of course, for that. So make sure you check that out, because that is the tallest truck I've ever reviewed. And it's super quick for being on 37s. Like, holy shit. So a huge shout out to my buddy for letting me drive that. He's an awesome guy. Thanks, man. I really appreciate it. So right now I'm gonna head back to the house and we'll go from there. I know, and then later on today we've got the first gen review. So I cannot, or crap, we got to bleep that part out. We got that review coming up shortly, guys. All right, guys, I just got done washing my truck. My buddy Chad's behind me with his first gen Cummins, as you can see back there. We're heading out to do a truck review in Mexico, well, aka Hunter's Farm. So we're gonna head that way, and make sure you watch the video because the tag will be popping up right now on his 93 Dodge W250 12 valve. So y'all don't want to miss that, let me tell you. All right, guys, I just got done with a review on a 93 12 valve Cummins. What a freaking truck that was. No, it wasn't a monster race truck jacked 14 bajillion feet high, but it's just a clean, good driving truck. And you know, sometimes that's the best way to keep them. It's just stock, well, it's stock-ish, clean, reliable. You can drive it and people have fun, and it turns heads. Like, that truck is just so nostalgic, it just turns heads. So right now I'm gonna head to Walmart. I get some more cleaning products for my trucks. I just washed it, and then I'm gonna give it a good whack and stuff like that, and then we'll head home. Okay, we're at Cars and Coffee in West Knox now. We're walking around. We ride just a wee bit late to the party. I'm sorry, guys, but other than that, it was a great event. Saw some awesome trucks, awesome cars. There's a lot of cool stuff at this event, so we might drive over there for a second, park the vehicle. It doesn't end until 12, but who knows. So as my girlfriend takes a spicy Instagram pic of some cookies she got at the mall. What'd you get, babe?
These little things, macaroon thingies. I really only really bought them so I can take a really cute picture. They kind of smell like shit. So.
Cookie advice by Caitlin. Anyways,
Yeah.
we're gonna start heading to Pigeon Forge. Gotta find my little brother a birthday present. And he turns 14. Little guy's growing up. I just remember like yesterday when he was just a baby.
So sweet.
So sweet. But anyways, now look how this person parked. Look at this. Look at it. They're not even in the line.
East Town people are starting to come to West Town. I told you this.
Well, it's a nice platinum right there forward. And this girl pulled all the way up past the other line. I mean, people just don't know how to drive. They good, babe?
They just taste like an Oreo.
Well, as you can see, guys, I'm at my natural station. The gas pump just filled it up. And now, on our way home. After the cars and coffee, we did some shopping, went to Pigeon Forge, Gautenberg, did some more shopping, stuff like that. Got birthdays coming up and whatnot, so that's what we kind of did.